Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching me from across the world. My name is Omenoko Emeka Moses of this channel, Omenoko Lifestyle. Welcome to my channel today. Today, I want to talk about something that is off the radar of what I normally talk about, and it's about making money in 2025, especially if you're in Africa, Nigeria precisely. We all know that if you're not making money now in dollars, you will suffer in this country. If you are earning 200,000 naira monthly, we know you know it's not enough. Food alone in my household cost me more than 200,000 naira monthly. So what about other expenses, other expenditures, staff salary, everything? Now, the one of the best world financial coach that we all know is teaching us how to make money online. Can make People are making money now through Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, and a lot of other social media platforms. So the world best financial coach in this video I want to play is telling us how to make money online digitally so that you can actually survive. You cannot survive this economy if you are not making money, unless you're a politician that is packing money or you're a top military officer. Even the money they are paying them, I'm not even sure is really enough. But you can earn money digitally. And you can do that without even having to create your own content, using other people's content. So long as you know how to twist and turn and tweak it and all that, you'll be good to go. So that's the video I'm going to be playing to you today. Gege's video, how to make money. I think on this one, he's talking basically about Facebook, using other people's content. So I'm going to play the video, you watch it, and I'll be back to tell you goodbye.
How to use other people's videos to make money from Facebook. You can make up to $5,000 from Facebook by uploading other people's content. You know that a lot of them before say the making money in life in general. Not people who work hard pass, now who work smart pass. My videos will be so let me create. If you create video, that video will fetch me like $50 for a month. Another content creator will carry that same video, package them again, you go upload that for a platform, you go use that to make $200 at the end of the month for that one video. So you see, say not people work hard pass, now work smart. So I want to show you if you to use other people's videos, they make money from Facebook every month. You know understand? Let me show you. First thing what you go do now to get a CapCut, enter CapCut, click on this app CapCut, you know understand. Then enter new project, click on that new project. You know understand. Then click on photos, make you enter the pictures where you want to use your photo where you want to attach to the person video. You know understand. See the one I select for here. This is my fine picture now select. You know understand. Now the video when you want to use, you already download that for your phone before. So you go enter you click overlay, then go enter add overlay. Go click on videos. Now carry that video, that person video. So where you want to create the content. So just carry them. I choose this particular one we did there. So wait, make it load. You know that's when you download, you can see before you start the editing. Now, if I never say you that Nigeria monetization link, comment I'm interested, make a send for you because I don't talk before say from now to December. I want to say make like at least 100 people they monetize because Nigeria is not eligible for monetization. You don't need anybody for abroad again to help you monetize your Facebook. As long as you in Nigeria, you get Facebook. If you monetize your Facebook, they earn money from videos where they upload. You know that's now the video they upload now. Now drag them, make it this small, make it not cover the full screen, make your picture see the show for the background. You know see the word drag now, you know they see me now. Now make sure see the picture, that your background picture, so you drag it to the full length of the video. Make it not be say when the video don't play finish, the picture don't pass. No, you go drag the picture, make it be the same length with your video. You see the way they drag it, so drag it like that till you reach the ending of the video. You see the way I do one like this now. Now delete this CapCut watermark from the video, make it not show inside. If you delete it, click on delete it, don't come out. So the next thing now, you see the editing process. So now check the audio. First,
you sell your house for Nigeria. You sell your house for Nigeria just to go abroad. To go back shit for more than 5 to 15 years of your life.
So this is very easy. And if you do it like this, you use that they make money. No means now you create the video. If you use other people's videos, they make money. Now, what I want to do for this point now, I want to increase the sound of the person. The original sound, the way the person talk and not too fast. Now, what fast and make it not be the license and the same voice with that person. You know understand? Because another trick that they increase the speed of the talk of the person. That already increased and now you see the way the sound is different from the way the person talk before. You know that's like everything na packaging. You know that's now. Another thing you feel do again, you feel attach the person. Let's say that the video they talk about. If you go put the video picture for the background too. You know some people not agree they read captions, they see the video pictures they want watch. So if you put the video picture too for attach and join, if you drag it to any place where you want me for the background. Now don't put that for the remove background from the video. Click on remove background from the picture. Remove background. Now when you don't remove the background finish, That background will come and the video picture will call it that place. That by hair, you see, and so you go drag and make it big way, drag and make it big small. So people will feel see and say a video na the video they talk about. So even if they not even read the captions, as they see the video picture, they still watch the video. You know, understand? This will not even take me 2 minutes of my time. Very, very simple. And at the end of the month, Facebook will see they pay you money for other people's videos where they upload on your platform. You know, understand? You get what Facebook they call originality of content. They know they like me, you carry other people's content on your platform. So that edit will not show you now. If you do one like that, you are not the recreator, the new creator of this particular one, because this is what you upload when you edit like this. They differ from the original one where that person upload. And the funniest thing is that for social media, not be work hard pass, now work smart, now they make money. That video will be said the original creator. Let's not be the person, let me get the video now. I think make $50 from that video, make you wear editor like that. Or package like that, go put that for your platform, make you make $200 at the end of the month from that same video. So now all about being smart. So many of them where they worry say, I'm not a social media person. This thing will show you now require your face or for you to come social media. No. And for you, they say maybe you want to create content, but you never know how you want to start. Start with this one. We tell you with the master camera because the Jija way they get now. If they don't put camera for your front, you know go get that same Jija again. No. Your moral go weak once. That same time they say they talk when camera don't face you. If they put camera for your front, so you are talking now, it go hard you. So with why you don't do all this one, small the content will enter your spirit. As you create other, as you use other people's video on your page, you go see they bring out your own. Sometimes you go still talk that same thing with the person talk. Go look for like up to 3 to 4 content creators who you admire on the social media. Study them. Which type of content that they create, they follow them like that. You know, before you look now, you go to get the admiration. You go to do and practice the same thing that they do. Combine different people together. If you like Gege, do the same thing Gege they do. You like other content creator, combine and shake her together. Use that to form your own. You know understand? And Facebook they pay you money. I know up to 2 girls, where they make money from this same thing. I tell you. Sometimes Gege, this month I make $2,000. I would laugh. I don't be there creating those videos. I make $5,000 so from people content. But as long as you already add your spike, or that picture with the background on your picture, the music where you add for the background on your picture, as long as you already speed the person talk, the speed when you take the talk, you already speed and small. Not be voice, not be you walk there, now you walk there now. So you're not the original creator of this new project. You know that. So attach all these things. If you follow me from now to December, and you not create, you not become a successful content creator, I beg. As we enter January, unfollow me because really put 70 people at the tissue for you. You know the supporter, you know the follower. You know that. So if I never send you the monetization link, I they send to everybody. You know, say it's not really easy. Go share comments. More than 4,000 comments. More than 4,000 comments. You know that. So to reply all those things, I got that is what they do. So if I never see send for you before, if you see comment, I'm interested. If I don't send for you, not comment, I'm interested again. You know that. So tell me thank you. Tell me thank you for this is on the show now. Tell me thank you. You know that. So more than the support on ourselves because even if I send you the link, if you never reach 5,000 followers, you know go still make money. You know that. So more than comment, follow for follow back. More than they follow on ourselves, they support on ourselves. You go big content creators page, we don't know you, they support them. And you will never grow. More than support on ourselves for the comment section. Follow on ourselves back. More than grow on ourselves together. So if they make small money from Facebook, you know that. Thank you. One love. Get gay.
So I hope you have seen it. You have watched it for yourself. Like the video, share it, put it into practice, and start making money. Start creating a portfolio. It will not happen overnight. It will happen over a long period of time. But when it happens, the money will start coming consistently. Don't relent. As all of us are growing, trying to make it. May God just help us. They give us the strength that is required to be consistent. I think consistency is one of the key. Even when you are not seen, even when you are not noticed, just keep posting. Keep developing your own content. Keep using other people's own content. Keep developing yourself. Thank you, Basibe. Like, share, and subscribe.